Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I've got a video for those of you who are looking for professional work appropriate makeup. So if you're kind of running out of ideas of what kind of makeup to do on a daily basis to go to the office, I've got 4 looks coming your way. The thought behind this was to do makeup that's still very neutral, nothing, too crazy, no bright, super bright colors. And what was also important for me is to do makeup that's really quick and easy to do in the morning. I think most people don't really have a ton of time to do, intricate makeup techniques. I didn't want to do anything that's too complicated, so something that you should be able to accomplish fairly quickly. Before I do jump into it, I just want to let you know that in all the 4 looks, I've already got my base makeup on, so I'm just wearing a liquid foundation and a concealer. I've done my eyebrows because that's just always the same for me. And I just decided to go for a really neutral kind of goes with everything blush, and it's this one right here in this very nude color. This is actually one by Max Factor, Nude Mauve. These kind of blushes kind of go with anything, so regardless of what kind of makeup you have on your eyes or your lips, it's bound to match. So just pick up like a nude blush that really flatters your skin tone. And then I'm also just using a very basic highlighter, nothing too sparkly, shimmer, anything. I use the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Champagne. I think this might have been limited edition. I think the one that's closest from the permanent range is called Soft and Gentle. It's very, very similar to this. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to be notified of all my new videos. And let's jump into it. So in this first look, I'm going to show you how to rock a red lip to work and still look super professional. Now the key is to tone down the rest of the makeup, and I'm going to do this by using a very simple nude color on the lid, and I'm just using this sort of creamy beige color. This has a little bit of shimmer to it, so it's going to brighten up the whole eye area. And I'm just using a flat brush, applying that on the lid and then blending that out into the crease. And then in the crease, I'm just using a mid-tone medium brown shade and just defining the crease a little bit. Again, this is super simple, super easy. You'll be able to do this really quickly. Now I've opted not to go for eyeliner for this look, but you can definitely do that if you want. I'm just going for mascara on the top lashes only, so that I'm not going to have to worry about smudging on the lower lid for the rest of the day. And for the lips, I'm taking a bright red shade. Now, as you can see, the eyes are super neutral, so it's okay to have that one pop of color. So to make sure that it's gonna last all day is to use a lip liner underneath in the corresponding shade. And then once my lips are lined, I'm grabbing this orangey toned red lipstick, which I just think brightens the whole look. And you'll find, of course, a complete list of all the products and where to buy below this video. But I think this bright orangey tomatoey red shade is just so flattering. And then I just used a off-white kohl pencil, like a flesh tone color, so whatever is your flesh tone, just in the inner rims and then on the lower lash line. That's just really going to brighten up the eye and make them look very awake, even when you're not feeling so awake. So that's gonna be my first look, super simple. And this next look is really about the lashes. Now I know that for some of you, applying fake lashes in the morning might be a struggle, but once you get good at it, it's really, really fast. So I'm basically just using the same eyeshadow from before, but if you don't even want to do eyeshadow, you don't have to. You can just skip eyeshadow altogether. I'm really just applying lashes here. So if you are more comfortable with using a liner before, you can do that. But once you get good at applying false lashes, it's something that can be done fairly easily, and it really kind of makes your eyes look very popping. So that could be an alternative if you can, practice putting on lashes. And I'm combining it with a super nude lip, just a nude lip liner, and then I'm using this liquid lipstick also in a nude shade. And this means it's going to last a long time because the liquid lipsticks are just much more long lasting than like glosses and stuff. But I do feel like this looks a little bit matte. I mean, if you do want the completely matte look, leave it there. I decided to go for just a little bit of gloss on top. Now this gloss doesn't have a lot of color. It's almost like a see-through gloss. It just adds a little bit of shine, and I think it just makes you wearing liquid lipsticks a little bit more comfortable. And that's the finished look. So once you get good at applying false lashes, this would be a really quick and simple look to do in the morning. So for this third look, I'm doing a liquid liner paired with a bit more of a darker lipstick combination. So for this, you really need to practice your liquid liner. So some people are really good at this and can do it really fast. You know, if you are struggling with this, you can definitely do one of the other looks that I've suggested. But getting good at liquid liner is something that's really useful for any makeup technique. So, you know, once you get good at it, it's really fast and easy to do. So I'm really just doing liquid liner. And then for the lips, I opted for a slightly deeper shade. Like, it's still a nude shade, still a very natural color, but just a little bit darker so that it kind of balances out the liner. And for this, I'm using again a liquid lipstick just because they last a lot longer. And for this one, I'm not adding any gloss on top because I wanted to go for that super matte, very modern, sophisticated look. So that's the final look. If you do want to add lashes, you can do that, but again, I think this is just plenty for, you know, everyday kind of natural, neutral office wear makeup. So this last one, I'm going to show you a soft smoky eye using warm brown tones. Now, the important thing is that when you're doing smoky eyes is that you don't do them too dark or too intense. So I'm first using a cream eyeshadow base in a light brown color. This is really going to help to smoke out the shadows and to make sure that they last a long time. And then you want to grab your eyeshadow palette of choice, and I'm going for this warm mid-tone brown shade and using a super soft brush and just blending that into the crease. Now, the softer your brush is and the bigger the brush, the faster and quicker and easier this look is to attain. So just use a really fluffy brush. I'm also doing a little bit of this on the under eye, and then I went in with a slightly darker, intense brown shade, not like super dark, but just a little bit darker, and I'm applying this on the lid area. And again, grabbing that super soft brush just to blend it out. Then I used just a brown kohl pencil on my lash line area and just smudged that out with a pencil brush. And I'm doing the same on the lower lid, but again, it's up to you. You don't even have to do the lower lid if you don't want to. And again, just combining this with a good long-lasting mascara. And for the lips, I just kept it really simple with a sheer nude lipstick. So that would be the final look for the soft smoky eye. As you can tell, it's really not too dramatic or too intense for the office. Alright, so that's all the 4 looks. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. And I hope you guys liked this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And before you click away, check out some more videos by me. You can click one of the 2 videos that I've linked right now on the end screen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, everyone.